Sowore replies Minister Wike, criminals like you don't deserve leadership, you should be at ICC in The Hague. Human rights activist and convener of Revolution Now movement, Sowore, has fired back at the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Wike, over remarks attributed to the minister threatening him, Sowore, for frequently criticizing President Bola Tinubu. Sahara reporters earlier reported that Wike took a swipe at social critics, particularly Sowore, who has frequently criticized his principal, Tinubu. Okay now. Wike said Sowore was lucky that Tinubu is a tolerant leader, warning that another president, such criticism could have had serious consequences. What kind of serious consequences though? Imagine this Wike was our president, the kind of things he'll be doing to people. Sowore was lucky that Tinubu is a tolerant leader. Like you now, you are not tolerant. If it was you now, you would have showed him serious consequences, Abi. In his reaction, Sowore, in a statement posted on his verified X account on Thursday, accused Wike of gross misconduct during his political career, saying he ought to be facing justice at the International Criminal Court. Sowore, a former presidential candidate of the African National Congress, wrote, I heard that the FCT's drunkard, murderer, land grabber, thief minister, Ezenwoye Wike said Bola Ahmed Tinubu should have assassinated me for calling him Tinubu is a criminal. He added, me, if Nigerians weren't so docile, complacent, and cowardly criminals, thieves, and murderers like Wike would never have any leadership role in this country. Sad. Wike stole land in Abuja. Wike robbed the people of Rivers State, and Wike massacred Igbos at Obigbo. According to Sowore, Wike should be in the Hague of the International Criminal Court. This one really Sowore talk like this. I'm sure that, what's his name? Larry Inka will come and reply tomorrow. The exchange comes as the Department of Security Service DSS moved against Sowore over a social media post, an action that as itself provoked legal pushback from the activists. Meanwhile, Sowore had filed suit challenging the DSS demand and seeking orders to prevent social platforms from deleting his posts, arguing the agency's action violates his constitutional rights to free expression. I know say Sowore would not listen to them. He would never ever agree to delete which post if I hear. Sahara reporters had exclusively reported that Wike traveled to United Kingdom for medical attention. Sources private to the Minister's health status told Sahara reporters that Wike has been diagnosed with congestive heart failure, and was under medical management. Doctor reportedly recommended a bypass surgery, but Wike declined the procedure over concerns about being away from his duties. So you rather this man for an extended period and the possibility of being replaced during his absence. Now, wow. Is that how desperate he is to be a minister, to be a politician? So you rather be sick and not do your surgery to get better because of duties. I know that he's not been around Wike. I know he wouldn't talk for like a week. It's not possible. Wike has traveled to the UK to seek medical attention, one of the sources had said. They said he's got congestive heart failure, which is being managed. He refused to do the bypass surgery recommended because he doesn't want to be gone for too long or replaced. The minister's decision to seek treatment abroad comes amid growing public interest in his health and capacity to continue in office. In April 2021, Wike, then governor of Rivers State, declared that he will not travel abroad for medical treatment. Wike that has 4 mouths, asserting that all necessary equipment for examination and care was available at the government house. He made the statement during a courtesy visit by the accreditation team of the Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria (MDCN) to the Rivers State University College of Medical Sciences at the government house in Port Harcourt. In October 2021, while inspecting construction work at the Cancer and Cardiovascular Disease Diagnostic and Treatment Center in Port Harcourt, then Governor Wike had emphasized the government's responsibility to ensure citizens have access to quality healthcare. He had highlighted the importance of a well-equipped healthcare delivery system and adequate support for medical professionals to safeguard lives. Wike noted that Nigerian doctors and medical experts can deliver effectively if provided with an enabling environment and proper incentives. He stressed that the country already had the resources and facilities needed to improve the health sector and emphasized the importance of training and retraining medical personnel. Wike pointed to the government house hospital in Port Harcourt as an example, highlighting how patients continue to visit due to availability of basic facilities and the dedication of his doctors. So now, why did you now travel to London to get treated? Now, so that they do. Vitally says, Wike thinks he can talk to Sowore without getting his reply. Exactly. Well, Sowore is not Peter Obi. Aluta, yes, so. Sowore ke. He will reply. HP Kuri says, make I run, go take steak. Sowore home on the way. He don't already bring 12-0. Mohammed says, if not alcohol, how can you, an ordinary minister, challenge someone that can call the president a criminal? You can imagine. Sowore will no send you now. Hey, Elijah says, Mr. Peter B is too busy to fire back at any of his attackers. But you see Sowore, he has enough time to give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Yes, so. Okay, gain energy. Say you think Sowore is Obi. I pity him. I'm telling you. Hey, Benny, as he said, it seems in this season, anyone who miss here in Sowore's diary, you must collect voto. Yes, so you go collect. Even says, thank God Sowore is not Peter Obi. Lucky Benedict says, I knew that Sowore will reply Wike in a hot way. Yes, so. Roland says, Olayinka will release his own tomorrow. Yes, Thank God you know that Lady Olayinka will reply Sowore tomorrow. But I trust Sowore, they carry last. They carry last too. Lady will come, say his own. I'm sure he's going to give Lady fire for fire too. It is well. Isaac says, now you will help Nigerians finish Wike finally. Abio. TJ Stone says, make them put 12 now for him. No confirm something, I beg. Sowore, you are valid. I was even thinking he gets his reply before noon tomorrow. I don't know, it will come as if they hurt me. Hey, Sowore, Mama says, I hope Sowore no get land for Abuja or else Wike go visit you. It is well. Isa says, if not for Guguru, Kai, how can a rabbit talk to a person that is fighting a lion? You can imagine. Oh. My listeners, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.